friends, here we are. The most expensive room on the ship, the ultimate family suite. Here we go. Oh, look at this entrance. We got a hopscotch entryway. Look at all these colorful pictures.
Well, there's
Glass
the new
entrance.
gentlemen. This is Ken Rush, one of
Hello.
the directors of entertainment at Royal Caribbean, and we want to remind you that coming up actually it's not
Awesome.
start right now, but we're going to give it a few minutes because we don't have too many people in the aqua theater this time. Join us in the aqua theater.
Look at all of this color. Look at all of this. We've got a little nook here, and you've got a Lego wall. Look, it's a Lego wall. Little nook here where your kiddos can get in there and read. And then we pan around, and here we go. Look at all of this. Look at the pillows. They spell out Utopia. You've got your very own slide to slide from the top down. Oh my gosh. There's a little reading nook back there. This is incredible. Completely. This is incredible. You've got an interactive gaming table here where you can sit and paint or play. Look at that. Very cool. We'll continue on, and we've got a bedroom over here on the bottom level. We found Jess. She's over here trying to stow away. We got a little nook over here and closet space on either side of the vanity. No, just one side of the vanity. Got a nice big bed here. TV. And then we come out. We've got more space over here. We've got a bathroom. Looks like we've got a double vanity. In this bathroom, we've got 2 sinks and a nice, huge walk-in shower with a seat. It says rub-a-dub-dub. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Nice seating. Big, huge space to take a shower. Lots of storage. This is huge. So we'll keep going. We'll go into this little area here. Oh, it's like a cinema room. Okay, this is cool. Look at this area. I'll just sleep right there on that couch, but you've got a TV on the wall and then a huge TV over here. Look at this room. This is insane. Wow. You can sit down, watch a big old movie here on the big screen. And then we've got another reading nook over here. Look at this one with the eyeballs. Wow. So incredible. Look at that. The teeth. Okay. And then you've got a little wet bar area over here with a sink and places to grab a soda, some coffee, something to drink. And then we got more room. Here's your slide. And then out on the balcony, we've got a climbing apparatus. My kiddo calls these the moon muffins. And a large table. And you even have your own jacuzzi right there for your enjoyment. And now we've got to go upstairs. So let's go upstairs and see more of this amazing suite. Here's another look at that hot tub. And then we'll go back upstairs. Okay. These stairs are piano that make noise as you come up. Here's another bed here. Lots of closet space. Very cool. Little vanity area here. You can get ready. A nice closet space. More closet space over here. Hello. And we will look at the bathroom momentarily. There's where they keep Robin. I'm trying to find a good place to hide so that I can stay on the next cruise in this suite. Here's the bathroom. Double vanity, and then we're coming in and we've got a nice big shower with dual heads here on each wall. We've also got a huge rainfall shower. Awesome. Very cool. Very nice touch. Two big, huge sinks. And we'll come out and we'll continue around to more of the kids' space. See, this will close off right here. And there's a little, you can see this door. How cute. All right. Oh, look at this space. You've got bunk beds with a space theme up here with the bumpers on the edges so we don't roll off. And then this down here. So I've counted that this room should sleep about 8 individuals comfortably. We've got 2 wardrobes here. And then another bathroom back here with a tub. And this is going to be your kids' area. Very cool. And if you open this, here is where the throne room is with a little night light. Nice touch. This area is absolutely exceptional. And if you'll notice, every one of these beds have their own TV. So no need to fight over what we're watching. You can watch anything you want on your own. Very cool. And then if you don't want to take the stairs down, you can take the slide. Yeah, I don't think we'll be sliding down there today, my friends, but very, very cool. Here. Look at how big and spacious this room is. Fantastic. And this is the Royal Family Suite, the ultimate family suite on Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas.